just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, flowing like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire. Feeling the catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Ooh, looks like a girl, but she's a flame. So bright she could burn your eyes. Better look the other way. You could try, but you'll never forget her name. She's on top of the world, hottest of the hottest girls. Say, oh,
She got her feet on the ground and she's burning it down.
we got our head in the clouds and we're not coming down.
This girl is on fire. Blanca's boss is on fire.
She's walking on fire.
What me say?
This girl is on fire.
Come in, kings and queens. Share the life, me I'm begging on.
Everybody's
Just me tonight.
cause you can see the flame that's in her eyes. Watch her as she's lighting up the night. Cause nobody knows that she's a lonely girl.
Oh,
It needs a lonely world. But she gon' let it burn, baby, burn, baby. This girl
is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This queen is on fire. From the top, man. From the top. From the top. Before me get into it, admin one of there, company live. Me need you now.
Oh, she's just a girl and
She's on fire.
hotter than a
Fantasy.
flowing like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire. Feeling the catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh,
She got her feet on the ground and she's burning it down.
she got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down.
She ain't breaking down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
She's walking on fire.
This girl is on fire.
Ooh, looks like a girl,
And she's on fire. Yes.
so bright she
Rock
could
out
burn
with
your
me.
eyes.
You can't see the comment then, people.
You could try, but you'll never forget her name. She's on top of the world, hottest of the hottest girls. Say,
Oh,
we got our feet on the ground and we're burning it down.
Oh,
Watching when she's lighting up the night, 'cause nobody knows that she's a lonely girl, and it's a lonely world. But she gon' let it burn, baby, burn, baby. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. Yes, she's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Oh. Kings and queens, what a guan. I'm here alone tonight. Yes. How y'all doing? I hope you guys doing well. Happy Friday. Me know I'm not used to me out here on a Friday. But I'm here. But I'm here. But I'm here. Yes. So, I want to make sure I want to share the live. Please and thank you. Please share the live. Admin, come in because I see them get angry already. I'm not even send up yet. My sister them hungry already. Them angry. Angry birds are in the building. Admin, make sure you drop the cannonball on them head tonight. Yes. Make sure you drop the cannonball on them head tonight. Yes.
Now go on like a me couldn't make no money.
We're not going like a we. We're not going like a she. Ha! We're not going like a she. Ha! We're not going like a she.
Me a got bikini, say me a got bikini. So all you want to me say you can't stop me. Got bikini, say me a got bikini. All you want to me say you can't stop me. Just take your mind off of me.
I take your mind. Hey!
I know me make you now make no money. Nobody watch me, nobody chat me, nobody watch me style and criticize me. Just take your mind off of me.
I take your
mind off of me. Take your mind off of me. Just take your mind off of me. No me make you now make no money. Nobody walk up and criticize me. Me a got bikini.
Are we a God picking it?
Nobody watch me style and criticize me. 'Cause all you want to me say you can't stop me. All for wedding name lad, no miss a mealing. Could have travel over the ocean.
I'm over the sea.
All you want to me say you can't stop me. You come up every day and I criticize me. You jump on corner and I discuss me. All you want to me say you can't stop me. You a talk about house and I need me comfort. But look at me bank book, how it fat. Just want me say daily and the cream for the time. So take your mind off of me. Take your mind off of me. Mind off of me. Mind off of me. Take your mind off of me. 'Cause all you want to me say you can't stop me. Yes, we a got bikini.
Are we a God picking it?
Make you now make no money. Nobody want to style and criticize me.
I take your
mind off of me.
take your mind
off of me.
I take your mind. Hey!
Cause call one me go sex and no to sorry. Everybody in Jamaica them love Bailey. Them love to see the Bailey na fine styling. And all them a do me say them can't stop me. Everywhere they go man is fine styling. New York and even long at New Jersey. Take your mind off of me.
I take your mind off away.
I don't even make you now make no money. Take your mind off of me.
I take your mind off away.
I don't even make you now make no money. Me say nobody watch me.
Nobody shot me.
Nobody watch me style and criticize me. 'Cause all you want to me say you can't stop me. In case you never know me, I can't pick it. Say me, I can't pick it.
Are we a God picking it?
All you want to me say you can't stop me. God picking it.
Are we a God picking it?
And all you want to me say you can't stop me. You walk up every day and I chop up your mouth.
Aye.
You walk from east and you walk from south. Go on, Mr. Daily, 'cause you're big on your sword. On the rhythm, you know what you're talking about. Take your mind off of me. Take your mind off of me.
Hey.
Make you now who make no money.
Hey.
Mind off of me.
Take your mind off of me.
I don't mean make you now who make no money. They say nobody watch me and nobody run me. Nobody watch me style and criticize me. 'Cause me a bad beginning. Me a bad beginning. And all you want to me say you can't stop me. Say me a bad beginning. Me a bad beginning. And all you want to me say you can't stop me. Me a bad beginning. Say me a bad beginning.
queens. Wagwan. Make her drink some water. Yes. Make me run back this one. Yes. While me get ready, take the seat. Yes.
She's just a girl and she's
Ready.
on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world that is on fire. Feeling like a catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh,
She got her feet on the ground.
and she's burning it down.
Oh,
She got her head in the clouds.
and she's not looking down. This girl is on fire. Like a boss is on fire.
She's walking.
On fire.
This girl is on
Fire.
Ooh, looks like a girl, but she's a flame.
Ah.
So bright she could burn your eyes. Better look the other way. You could try, but you'll never forget her name.
Never forget her name.
She's on top of the world.
Oh, yes.
Hottest of the hottest girls say, oh, we got our feet on the ground and we're burning it down. Oh, we got our head in the clouds and we're not coming down. This girl is on fire. This girl is.
All right, my kings and queens, we don't know wait long enough. What's going on here? Let me turn this around, get some wind over here, so. What's going on? Happy Friday to you all. It's just me tonight, no Vanilla. So, Vanilla has her own segment. I don't know if you guys been watching her when she do her own little videos. So, I have my own little segment that starts tonight, and I want to start out with a woman that inspires me. Yes, I'm going to be doing my own little segment every other Friday. Yes, and I just want to start out with the Planka Boss tonight. Yes, because people can sit down upon her name every night. I eat upon her. So why me can't talk about her and talk about how amazing she is, all the good things that she has done for people in our country. Yes, at that midday I fit talk about tonight. Me no business who want come over here. Me sick and tired about the hype business. Cause me not care, but me not look pan the numbers. Me come out here for straighten another queen's crown. Because you have the hate around wild up on social media. When are we gonna bring out the love to conquer the hate? When we are gonna talk up the good things them, the good up things them that she has done. When we are gonna come out in numbers and shut down the haters them. When we are gonna come out and shut down the haters them from beating this woman that don't deserve each and every day a whooping another lie. Another go upon her. Well, that's why I use my segments them for do every other Friday. Una like it, bite it, chocolate no cater for no greater. Remember that. Me not afraid of nobody. You understand? A time now for we stand up for each other as women. That's what me talk about last night. So me about to put actions behind what me talk about. You understand? Yes. Every night, people from dusk till dawn,
Scammer. What about the people them who only a go bump up in a that show and not gonna make it any further? Just a go believe all of that shit. Because that's it. We have to have the counteraction out here. To kill out the damn lie and the evilness with love. And talk up the real things. Talk up about the people them where she help. People who have them family in America and not do shit for them. But she take up her phone. And she help them. People right now where rain a pour, storm the all boat, and them not for worry because the water not gonna leak down through them roof. Because of who? Because of the planker boss. How comes me not hear none of them? Me never look online and say none of them people here will crucify her on the streets. I give the homeless people them anything. I'm not see none of them. So, me pin the number tonight. Yes? And me want people to call in and talk about the good things them what we know for what Planka sister has done for the people them in our country. Or if it's not your country, in Jamaica. You understand? I may get the phone call already. But before me take the phone call, me tell her, hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Turn us down turn me down in the background, please.
I just want to be the first one to call to endorse you on that talk with the Planka boss.
Thank you so much, Queen.
Oh.
Thank you so much. I'm in a day, and Queen get this straight. I'm in a day of no praise. Me there because it's the right thing to do. You understand? It's the right thing to do. I'm not here for no praises. When I notice me not even tag teaching you my cooking skill in this. Only reason I put Auntie Donna name in that because I want people know tonight, sir. We're about to talk about the goodness what she do. Me no want no praises, yes, sir. Are the right thing to do. As a woman, as a Jamaican woman, who know Jamaica and know the level of poverty in my country. I want to fall. Talk about hype and talk about bomberclad star. Oh, no bother with that. Oh, no, yo. No bother with that. Sorry, me people, sorry, me decent people that just come out. You understand? Me tired about this rotted star, monetizing, and this bullshit and payment and all of this bull crap. Me, I do it because it's the right thing to do. Me tired for the woman on the internet I bring down another sister that don't friggin' deserve it. Which part of that do you not understand? Someone don't really know what hungry feel like? Someone don't really know what poverty feel like? We don't have a lot of resources in our country. At least some, not a lot that works. And you have this woman take up her phone. You understand? Phone where so much other people did have. And she changed people's lives. And that them beat her down for day in and day out. From dusk till dawn. Now America belongs to them. So she can't come here. How see so? Oh, I need to turn on the phone because people are calling me. Hello, good night. Hold on the people. Let me get this up and going. Hello, good night. Man. Vanilla, where are you when I need you? Girl? Hello, good night.
Hello.
What's up, Queen?
Good night, Auntie Charlie. How are you? Like the topic?
I'm good, Queen. I'm sorry for the profanity. You understand? But me passionate about this. You understand? Me sick and tired of it. Me no believe, me no business which drunk ragga want come out to come class me. Me no care about that. You understand? Me no care. Yes. Me out here for straighten another Queen's crown tonight. Too much of it. Yeah? Alright, Queen, go ahead, sorry.
As you notice, every time they beat down Auntie Donna blessed one just fly up the ladder. Just gone up the ladder. So you see, sometimes when you see haters, them a beat you down, God have blessed you. So you're not even have to matter, you know. When Auntie Donna just started to do charity and start to build houses and furnish house, everybody did love it. As soon as they start to see money coming in, that's why the Bible said money is the root of all evil. They turn against
The love of money.
turn against her because they figure say, well, she'll make money now and she'll take money, and everything the woman do is transparent. Everything she do. And they try to drive down, some of them come under false pretend like they love her and they don't love her. And she know, because God gives her that spirit to, you know. God gives her that spirit, say no, to see her enemy them from afar. Now the woman build how much house, how much poor people and food, and they build one to herself. They should have happy. They should have happy they start criticize how we in a ghetto. So what? Ghetto people they can't have nice house and big house stuff.
I guess not. Apparently not.
Woman house is so good that the woman not even remember them. You can do America and you say against somebody in Jamaica, where America have so much opportunity.
Exactly. Exactly.
Oh no, no. What make the woman in Jamaica have more ambition more than them? More ambition more than them, and then they fight against the woman and God. Every time they fight, God bless her, and they still can't see. They're so blind. Internet dopey them is so blind till they can't even see. So if it's just low the woman, because the more they crucify her, the more they kill her, the more they try to bring her down, God just push her up. And then that no one to say, you know, Auntie Donna don't pay them no mind, because Auntie Donna know what she is going for. You think she don't know? She know. And if you notice, she not argue with them, and she not come out and say nothing, she dance them off.
Yes. But at the end of the day, Queen, she's a human being. You understand me? At the end of the day, she's a human being. She has feelings. You understand? And at the end of the day, it's not right. It's not right. At the bottom line is, it's not right and it's not deserving for someone who's doing so much good. For people to come out and class her, it's not like they have a problem so much with what she's doing in terms of the charity. What does our kids have to do with the charity? What does our body has to do with the charity? The way she look, what she wear, how she walk. What that have to do with charity? It's hateful. It's disgusting. It's hate and it's jealousy. It's bad mind.
Well, let's see. Let me tell you something. There's a space for everything, you know. After them season they come up, you have to go watch Auntie Donna bloom, burst, open, and then go and see. None of them go sorry. None of them are going sorry because regardless, no man can curse.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. But we can't just sit down and make all the hate and the lies running wild, and there are no love out here, and nobody standing up and sharing the other side, showing the other side of the coin, to talk and highlight the good things that this woman has done for so many people.
And payday coming up shortly, you know, the payday coming up shortly. The Bible said the Egyptian, you see today, won't see them tomorrow. You saw some of them can't even come up on internet and show their face. Just give them time. Time to everything. Bless the person, Auntie Donna, continue to do what you do, because who God bless, no man man can curse. Big up yourself, Charlie.
Big up yourself, Queen. And thank you so much for calling, yeah? God bless you. All right. Yeah, the first thing. Oh, a clout them want. Oh, an audience them want. So what uno want? We talk nasty things about her. What uno want? Uno did come out here summer uno, come cuss people about monetizing, about stars. Oh, them cuss people for stars. No, them get stars. All of a sudden it's a blessing. Bad mind. Same thing them a do with auntie. Them a cuss it woman because them want what she have. Them want be in her position. Same thing. If them get some endorsement deals now, are the best thing on earth. Yes. The more showing off God, them wait upon the Lord and them get it. And it's the greatest thing. She may wait upon the Lord. Huh? Now wait, she wait upon the Lord. What am to know? My idiot. Hello, good night. Me not get these 10 tonight, you know. Yeah, me not in a no speaky, spooky business. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Can't wait for you connect, because me get a lot of call. Call back Rose Kitchen. A call knock you out, honey. Call back. All right. Call back, Queens. Call up in your Queens. Wanna call up. Stand up behind her. And what them for? Then think of them can't have alone, can't have people calling. And what them for? We have platform over here, so to baby. We have platform over here, so to baby. Yes, I may have time tonight. What happened to her? May have time tonight. Yes. Let me call you back, Rose. Yes. May have time tonight. What on for? You don't think me care about you come class? No, now I never go upon me. Hello, good night, Queen.
Good night, Chocolate, and everyone. Good night.
Good night, Queen. Good night.
I am 100% stand with you tonight.
Thank you, Queen.
Earlier, I have a live, and I was definitely going to talk about the same situation, and then I just changed the title and asked who was our idol or personality. And I even called your name in my live. I called Chocolate and Vanilla.
Thank you, Queen.
Donna, Your Majesty, Chris Kazim, Omar, the positive people on social media. And for me, it really hurt. As you see how I go, I don't really come out and vent.
Yeah.
But I will do like 1 and 2 posts on my page, right? And as I said, I stand with you 100% because I started to watch Anthony 2019 when I was stopped working when the C word come, the big C word. And it's one of my, I used to be mostly on IG. I didn't really be on Facebook like that. I was only have my, I think it was my personal page at the time. And one of my friends, who is a Jamaican, living in the Bahamas, asked me if I know about Aunt Donna. I said no. And then I started to watch her. And I said, really, I couldn't believe it, Chocolate. I said, really? And honestly, when I saw the lady, she reminded me of Miss Lou at the time. And I said that to my friend. And I said, I just didn't believe it because it's the first time I see someone with a phone go and do charity. I know about charity, but to do charity like how she do the charity.
Exactly.
And at the time, I was so impressed and I definitely inboxed, but now I realize that she don't really go and in Messenger. I in Messenger and said, keep up the good work.
Yes.
She, at that time, on my personal page, I said, keep up the good work. I feel proud of you. I've never seen nothing in my life like this before. So then I joined to her. And definitely, I just don't understand if a person doing good, so much good in our country and helping poor people, whether it's her money, which I know she put her money.
How many times you see auntie use her money? Huh? What she have to do? Carry my bank with her and do a withdrawal from her account and show themselves her account before them believe? Or what them for?
Thank you. And whether her money or not her money, is still her. She's the same one who doing it.
Absolutely.
I don't understand. And even, I said to myself, even if she even take $100, so what?
right, thank you so much, Queen. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. And Queen, don't be afraid to use your platform either and talk about her, because whether you talk about her on your platform or over here, they still gonna say whatever they gonna say about you. Don't make nobody shut you down. If them can shut up, so can we. We're not afraid of nobody, and we stand up as women in this and defend with sister.
Right is right and wrong is wrong.
Exactly.
The lady doing so much good. I don't understand. We are all Jamaican and female. Why bring it down on a person like that? If we're going to, everybody have right to their own opinion. But if your opinion is different from if you're degrading a person, putting down a person way down, that is way down low. And I
Exactly.
want to break and this now and this keep going on and on and on.
On and on and on. Ever since you come out. On and on and on. Thank you so much, Queen. May try get in some other calls. Appreciate you, alright? Yes. Alright. Hello, good night. Queen, hang up. The phone line open now, people. People sending me voice note. I'm not gonna listen to voice note. You wanna talk? Call in. The number is there. Alright? The number is pinned. Call in. Them call in and say what them officer and class her and talk things about her what them not know about and fabricate all kind of story. Oh no, don't make nobody calm her down. Talk up the things them. What happened to her? Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello? I'm not hearing you.
Just wanted to,
I
want to.
Go ahead, Queen.
Yeah, I called before, but I got cut off.
Oh, yeah, I noticed that because the calls are coming in. So sometimes some will knock out some. All right, go ahead, Queen.
I just want to endorse you on this topic. Auntie Donna is doing so good, and I don't see why these people come out. They hate the woman. They hate her for nothing. They hate her for nothing. I remember when she was doing Ratty's house, and the house stalled on her, and the woman used her own money and went ahead and tried to finish up the house. And these people come out and they hate her. They hate her for good.
Hate her for good.
That's what they hate her for. They hate her for doing good.
For something that they don't have the ability to do.
I called her one day, and I said to her, Auntie Donna, they are going to become your footstool. And I am here sitting and watching a lot of this playing out. And they're not going to see her fall. That will never happen in Lancashire because God is not going to put her down. And she will forever rise. She will forever rise. She will forever rise. Thank you for raising this topic tonight, Chocolate. Thank you. And I'm asking the Queens to just call up and...
My pleasure, Queen. My pleasure.
Tonight is your night.
Thank you so much, Queen. Too much. It's too much. It's too much. At first I was like, okay, all right. People can criticize certain things about the charity. I'm not perfect. None of us not perfect. Sometimes you make our little mistakes and the things maybe you or I wouldn't do. You understand? So all right, if you want to criticize that. But when you reach up underneath a woman, our kids, them, they say, no, sir. This ain't about charity. No. I mean, you one time. I say, wait. Most people get up and voice them opinion one time. And then, them have a life, you know. So they move on to other things. No, me love. No. And then one time thing. It's a lifetime thing. It's a job. Hello, good night.
Good night, good night.
Good night.
What a topic this tonight. I always, Chocolate, I don't really go on social media again. If it's not you and Vanilla come on or Flawless or so, I don't really watch them because, trust me, it is so degrading to see ladies we're supposed to show respect as married people, and you behaving this way with Auntie Donna don't deserve what they're doing to her. And you know, she have a heart of gold. What kind of care when people do her? Mrs. Chat over upon chat, do this to them and forgive them.
Forgive them, yeah.
Yeah, she have a heart of gold, man. Me understand no woman that go on another woman's clothes. And it is degrading. I am so ashamed of these ladies. And they must put themselves together. Put themselves together and ask Auntie Donna to forgive them. Because all of what they're doing to her, it is not. It is of selfishness. It can't be. They have to stop it. This is social media bullying.
Big time.
And make them say that. Make them see the car Auntie Donna will reach America before. Wow, that's a let's sleep it down. Like, when them don't know all on them.
Thank you so much, Queen.
Yes.
Alright, big up yourself, you hear? Alright. Yes. Then come out and talk. May I say, alright. You know, a social media. It's out there, that the charity for public consumption. You have your opinion, alright, you say your 2 cents, and you're going to move on. No, this becomes a job. Forget up. And now it becomes like this friggin' enterprise now. It's a group. Yes, a group. Get up and ride upon this one woman. It become who she asleep with. What that have to do with charity? What that have to do with helping people? Who she asleep with? What kind of wig she wear? Come on now, people. This is past charity. This is personal. It's like they want this woman to disappear off the face of the earth. And how would your life change? How would your life be better? And we must just sit down and we think, wow, because we're not going to cuss on nobody for bad word. We're not going to make up on a lie. So we must be afraid to use our platform and talk about this woman because we're not going to accuse us of getting paid. Or we're looking audience, or with this, or with that. We must answer back. I'm not going to run this motherfucker. Really? Sorry, excuse my language again. Man, I'm a passion tonight. Nobody must show her love. Nobody must highlight the wonderful things that she has done for people. We must be afraid because that's the one they're going to drag with. That's the one they're going to talk about with life even though them don't know jack shit about we. So we must be intimidated to come out here. Come for me all on the want. Be careful that the line though. Be careful that the line. There's a line there. You hear me? I don't want to be credible. I don't want to be credible now. The same woman will get up and lie for Michelle LaDonna. You are credible now. Say you know her. You are credible now. You're truthful now. The same woman will have somebody come on her platform and talk about me and Vanilla. Tea for us. She's credible now. When we're not even shop her us. No offense to people who does. You're credible now. It's the truth. It's facts. Wanna fa? Wanna fa? Wanna go and wait. Wall on a breath and wait. Yes. Put your hand and cock your nose and tap your breath and wait. Wait for her to fall. Because who don't have no control over that. Are the Most High. The one who sit high and look low. And believe me, he must see you now. You no play with him all the time. That's how him work. He will make you no play. But you, I go see the end game. You all shall see the end game. Kind of fight somebody for doing something that you guys don't have the guts and the strength and the wisdom to do. And a woman, a whooping her ass, a showing her up. Because they just well want to be in her shoes. Well want to be in the spotlight. Una can't take it. Una can't take how much people love her. Una can't take how she's so happy. Although me over here I beat her down day in and day out. Me jump her name up and down, left and right. And she still not move. She's still happy. Talk to the man above. Go talk to God about it. Because we don't want to hear it. Go talk to God about it. Any problem you have with her, go talk to God about it. And him set it so. Go talk to him about it. And you not see, the class in our body now work. We love her just big and fabulous, just the way she is. We love her in the skin that she's in. We don't know how she look. We know how she look without makeup. We know how she look with makeup. What more una gonna tell we? What's left? What is left? What is left? What left? The few little people want to claim, say they support her and move on to Funa side. Then they support her to begin with. We don't miss them. Tell them we don't miss them. Good riddance. Bye-bye. Hasta la vista. Sayonara. We don't miss them. You understand? Because not everybody will cuss a planker. Me I tell you that. You understand? Me I tell you that. Me I tell you that. So you have people pose to be plankers, to cause havoc on the internet, so that she can get the blame. You understand? And in our work. In our work. It's not working. We know who plankers are. True plankatarian. Yes. When they know me. When don't know me. But because auntie mentioned me. Because them see me with auntie in Canada. Them end up on my nieces. My niece repass. Find me. Them they are planker. Women supporting women. Planker. When auntie mention somebody on our platform, them go and go support that person. Them they are the planker. You hear auntie talk about it, the planker effect. And they aren't going nowhere. So there are no convincing out here to do. Or not play on yourself. Or not play on yourself. Or not want to be loved like that. And that's what pissing you all off. Because auntie can pull out a strand of hair from her wig and action it off. And somebody will buy it. And that a piss on off. I eat a piss on off. You can talk about the cakes them all on the want. You not tremble already. I eat you not come out on herself about. And I say she just chill. Because whether you want to say look like cow down, run down, turn down, sim down, whatever down, we are going to buy it out. So there's no point. That's planka for you now. May I tell you now. Me come for you know the God honest truth. The unfiltered. How the truth that. No matter one classy. It a go say. Because we support her sister. We know that she ain't a God. But she's doing the things of God. For God people. We know we praise with God. We get down power near and we praise with God. The Almighty, the Creator. We know Auntie ain't that. But one thing we know. She's a strong, smart, talented black woman. Jamaican sister. Kind, compassionate. Hello, good night. Hello. Hello, good night. Hello.
Can you hear me? Good night.
I can hear you, Queen. Go ahead.
I said good night, Queen. I 100% co-sign this message. Enough is enough. I am sick to my stomach each time they come up in my feed. I don't follow them, but somehow it did it, and me stick to my stomach. I'm glad you're bringing this up. I thank you for standing up for Auntie Donna. Woman empowerment, we say. But all them attack, cakes still sell, woman chance still a bill. How can you be on somebody's name for 2 years straight? You're claiming that you have memories and you have receipts and you have fact. Oh, the police can't lock her up yet.
That may wonder. Because Queen, even if them say Jamaica bias, we know for a fact. Right. America ain't biased. We know for a fact the FBI up here ain't gonna play no partiality.
Exactly, and she got Canada other day, and they would have seen that them system so she get flag or everything. The woman travel through airport and go about her business. Them delusional.
Ah.
They out there sit down on the woman name.
8.
7 hours worth of life.
The 8 is real.
7 hours, oh, that makes sense. Them have so much evidence, and all them matter we still not do it. We still not stop doing it. Donation are going to run.
Same way. Same way, sir. Same way, sir.
Everything still have an atmosphere.
Same way, sir.
The more them talk, the more contract she get. Contract must come in as a contract. The lady is such a motivator. She's a giver. Enough time I watch her, I see the woman give from her heart. She do her when she never have to do. She's a humanitarian. She supports everybody, not care what them talk and who cuss her in class, or she them come to them over YouTube, she promote it for them. Because she's just a giver. Me don't know how she do it. I couldn't do it. Sometimes I want to cuss them for her, but me I say, you know what, I believe it to God. Because she know for prayer. She's a praying woman, and all of know for prayer for her and rally around her as well.
Yes,
She
Queen.
does so much people. Every day when she comes on, if you want anything, if you want to laugh, you go to Blanca shop. If you look for something to motivate, you go to Blanca shop. She provides everything over there.
She got the it factor. And the it kill them.
Yes.
She got that it factor.
The wow factor.
Yeah, and the wow factor. Yes.
Sometimes one of them family not have no sense. I said, no, you need to stop that, mommy. Come on now. Even the one that would throw out in the public, or the one that, some of them have the platform and they do it under sites, you know, them talk about her in a one little way. Leave the woman alone, make the woman prosper. And God alone can judge her because all the way wrong. Don't say, alright, she may do things that you don't like or things that you don't agree with. But none of we not perfect, as you say.
Thank you, Queen.
We're all humans.
All humans.
We love our bad. I mean, don't stop support us.
See me, sir.
Anything they want to
See
say,
me,
don't
sir.
stop support us. Straight love.
Straight.
And big up you and Vanilla.
Thank you.
Straight love.
Thank you, Queen. Love your Queen. Big up yourself.
Positivity and prosperity, we say.
Yes, Queen. Big up yourself. Yes. Yes. Them can't stop it. Them can't stop her. Them cannot stop it. Cannot stop it. Might as well not give it up. Or not need to give it up. You understand? And me, I said this to the queens them out there who have a platform like myself. And if you love and respect Plank, I'm not force nothing upon nobody. You understand? But I know what I'm gonna do. Every other Friday, it's about Planka. I want people to call in and share that special show from Planka Shop that just touch you. Your favorite. Which one are the recipient? You understand? Go into details. I want to hear it. I want people to hear it. You understand? Seem like how them have them receipt. You understand? We're going in details as some want it. Talk the things them. We could go back down memory lane. Yes? And talk about the people that want anti-help. Yes. If them can get up 24/7 and beat down the sister. Queens, join with me. Uplift this sister. You understand? Because at the end of the day, she's a human being like you and I. And she have feelings. She might not come on camera and you see that. But talking about somebody's children, as somebody's mother, she don't make out of iron. She have flesh and bone like us. And we have to show that there are good women out here with good, clean heart. And we don't mind celebrating a sister genuinely. You understand? Like me say, let me make it clear again. Them are going to class me because that's all they know to do. That's all they know to do is class people. Like the little mangy mongrel them at Jamaica. Noise, noise, noise. All bark and no bite. You understand? Because you can do that on social media. Because, of course, it's social media. You understand? I can say the most. I can say the most things. I make up the most stories. We don't have to do that. We don't have to do that. We don't have to stoop to their level. We can use love and what's real and what's visible for people to see and talk about that. Highlight that. Highlight the good things that the Planka boss does. It's too much. Too much. I heard that Erica gonna have a open up her platform for Plankas to call in. That's awesome. That's awesome. Support. And I wall away. Bad mind. Envious. Corrupt. Disgusting. And I wall away. We have good people. Good, wonderful, amazing females out of our country. On all levels. And I'm here to straighten my sister's crown for free. 100, let me say it over and over. Whether I don't want to believe it or not. Chocolate, now no reason for lie. For free. The first day I watched that woman with Sharika, she pulled something, she touched something in my core. And I couldn't let it go. She touched something inside of me. If you see somebody help publicly, and then you move on from her to other people. And I fell in love. With that. Because that's how God wants us to look out for each other. But instead, it's so easy for us to bring down each other every chance we get. No loyalty. Befriend people only to deceive them. I know there are more good people than evil people. I refuse to believe otherwise. I believe there are more good female out here than bad female. I refuse to believe otherwise. Auntie, oh, God bless. No man curse. Stand strong, my sister. Stand strong. Chocolate. Love you for free.
She's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, running like a highway. She's living in a world that is on fire. Feeling the catastrophe, but she knows she can find a way. Oh, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
Love you, kings and queens.
She's walking on
Thank you for joining me tonight. I'll be back, not next Friday, the following Friday. It's all about the planka boss. I love you guys, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Let love rule.
The other way. You could try, but you'll never forget her name.
Good night.
She's on top
Thank
of
you
the
for all the
world.
calls.
Hottest of the
Thank you.
hottest girls say, oh, we got both feet on the ground and we're burning it down.
You're on fire, planka boss.
Oh, we got our head in the ground and we're not coming down.
This girl is on fire. Planka boss is on fire. She's walking on fire. That queen is on fire. We will continue to lift you up in prayers. We stand behind you.
She goes by, 'cause you can see the flame that's in her eyes. Watch her as she's lighting up the night, 'cause nobody knows that she's a lonely girl. And it's a lonely world, but she gon' let it burn, baby, burn, baby. This girl is on fire.
Planka boss. Donna Marigo, you're on fire. Yes.
She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire.
See you soon, kings and queens. I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it. And no matter what they say about me, you guys know who we are. And God, most importantly, knows who we are. Love you guys. Good night.
That boy like a me coulda not make
Hey, away myself. I'm not that billionaire. I want to leave. I want. Hey,
Take your time, man.
take your time, man.
Follow me. Me a got bikini, say me a got bikini.
What?
You want to me, say you can't stop me. Got bikini, say me a got bikini. So all you want to me, say you can't stop me. Just take your mind off of me. Take your mind off of me. I'm gonna make it up. Me no money. Nobody watch me, nobody chat me, nobody watch me style and criticize me. Just make your mind off for me, make your mind off for me, just make your mind off for me. No me make you die, make no money.
The auntie and the big girls, them what? Come on! Come on! Hey! Come on! Hey! What am I saying? Chocolate girl, you know what? 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 Chocolate girl, know what? What? I love you guys.
Look at the bank book, how it's fat. Just one miss a daily.